Tatayo tayo.
After so much persuasion and maybe coercion, to come and sing before you. So we have to congratulate them for the courage it took them to come on the stage, months and days of rehearsals, so that they can come and sing the beautiful rendition of both the national anthems. I will ask the young people to raise their hands when I call their names so that you will know who they are. Erin Bailon, Rhea Ascueta. If they are your children, you have permission to clap louder or scream or shout. Iris Ricks. I think that sounds better. Regine Torres. Danielle Benfin. Jessica Steen. Alana Michaels. And Jenny Bailon. We come to the young men. Kevin Tenorio. Gino Fabian. We must have a fans club here. Jolen Ballesteros. When you're the son of the president, it makes a lot of difference. Jason Guzman. Jerome Guzman, and Brady De La Cruz. We'd like to introduce also our conductor, Anne Bentham. Please acknowledge our pianist, Michelle Sir, and our coordinator, Belinda Tenorio. Another round of applause for these young people and their courage. Thank you very much.